Minecraft game here with Bill and Tom. We're all playing the same game, but not on the same world. We're playing Jurassic Park.
Hello.
Bill's got a technical difficulty called a twister.
Yeah.
Coming towards his base.
And I'm pretty scared. And now I've lost where I am.
Okay, I need to hire some cleaners. Hire.
Look, people are getting swept up. And the dinosaur.
Oh, no, that's going to give you money. You're going to need money.
Oh crap. People are getting flung everywhere.
It's still going to destroy your whole base.
Why won't it place?
Oh, it's a bit dodgy making things. There has to be space around it.
I've lost 3 people. 3 people died.
I've only got 1 person in my park, so I think I might kind of cut the prices down. Oh look, shortly went from 1,900. Oh, that's good. Okay, I need to.
Why can't I place it? Oh look, Leo. Yeah, why can't I place it? Look.
You can't place like it's a bit of a nightmare to place stuff. You do know that. Oh, there's a thunderstorm coming.
Leo, look. Look at my money. 18 minus.
I've got a thunderstorm coming. Luckily there's a button. One of the things at the bottom says fly when you hover over it.
What the hell is this? What the hell? I'm scared.
You have to click on one of the things at the bottom that says fly.
Yeah.
Oh, that's research. Okay, go to attractions and get that. It's the safari ride. It's awesome. Oh, you don't have enough money. You need to get money, Bill.
Yeah, no, but where do I get money from?
Open your park.
It is open.
Okay, lower the prices down to 250. 250.
Look, another person has died.
Oh, you're getting way lower money.
How do I get out of it? Yeah, how do I get out? Everyone's dying.
Oh, press escape. And press escape again.
Yeah, I can't fly my helicopter.
Strap.
Every single building.
Strap. What one's that?
Yeah, every single building is damaged.
Yeah, that happened to me before.
Apart from this one. Oh no, that's damaged.
That's exhausted, that place. So actually, I'm going to put all of them on this place. This is good. I've got a thunderstorm attacking me.
Great to see you again.
I'm getting 2 Triceratops. Look, I made them in this place. I leave them in there for a bit, so they, and then I shoot I put them in sleep, and then I carry them with a crane into here. Ooh. Like I did with these guys. The Triceratops is getting scared because he ain't got any more puzzles. So it's going to be cool when I get the other ones.
Yeah, I can't get out of it.
I'm sure I won't bother making them. Oh my goodness! I can make a large herbivore. A large carnivore, I mean.
I've got one dinosaur. How do I feed my dinosaur?
Yo, put them to sleep. That's the only way you can move them.
How?
You have to go on the ranger thing, the helicopter.
I've lost everybody in my
Oh my goodness! Fly. Remember,
Oh look, Leo! My fence got destroyed! Oh my god, look!
okay, Bill, entertain the viewers.
Everything got destroyed!
Okay.
The whole one!
Is it on desktop?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, can you click on it?
Research from Dr. Gordon.
Is that all you make? Oh yeah. Okay, so next thing you do hit move. And it'll give you the plank. Exactly that's what we do. So move is where you want to put it. So you ain't got to do that. So you have to put that but they are free. Look, Leo. My fossil. Oh, cool, you got one.
Oh, is it hitting? Oh, I've got loads of messages.
I have more than that.
Action.
It's gonna give me loads of money, man. Come on, give me money. I just deleted all my messages. Might have this just been like helpful.
No problem.
No problem. You can say.
Oh, the thing's gone, the storm.
I'll be playing with this all night.
Yeah.
Great to see you again.
I got a message.
Message from Dr. Sutton.
How long till it's sleep for?
Okay, so I'm gonna build a dinosaur on, because I've got a little fence bit, so I just put him to sleep in, so I can
Message from Dr. Green.
off.
That's what I need, a shelter thing, don't I? How long till it's sleep?
Greetings.
Jump the helicopter.
How the hell do you make them go to sleep?
Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, how do you wake them up?
They wake up shortly. Just leave them a second there.
My whole entire park is destroyed. I feel I'm gonna cry. Oh, I got one.
They will eventually wake up anyway. Come on, dinosaur.
We're trying to shoot it.
Try to put it asleep. Yeah, it's better.
Low, 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 low,
Low, low, low.
low, 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 low,
Low, low, low.
Come and itch my bottom. Why don't you? Why can't you
Just come and itch it, yeah. Orders. I love how a giant crane comes
Yes.
down.
So stupid.
Look, it goes in the ground.
I know.
It takes a helicopter to move a dinosaur.
Oh, yeah,
I love it, just dropped it. Isn't he there? I think I know why no one's going on safari now. Because I need to put a path. Just one little path here.
Yeah, I've got no one coming into my park.
Open, cost 15, like, well, you can make it 500 quid. Open.
Leo.
I've opened mine.
No one's going to come into my park. We have to close the park.
Great
As soon as I
park.
closed the park, there was like...
Maybe not.
Hello.
Great park. safari pass.
Safari bar.
Yeah, I've got a little safari car. I researched it. I think I researched it for you as well.
What are you doing?
I don't know, I got minus 12,000. So mine's a bit worse. I'm still waiting for mine to go down a bit. No, go up a bit then.
How do you get a rifle? Because it says not expensive.
Maybe you need to take down your money a bit. Make it a bit cheaper.
Yeah, you might have to do that.
In progress.
Yeah, see? In progress.
Okay, I'm going to put a medium.
I bet that person is just waiting.
Look, it tells you how many people is there. Yeah. No, that's the dinosaurs. Oh, what? It hasn't done
I don't
anything.
have enough money to continue. Come on, I'll lower the prices again for you then. Shortly, yay.
Time to arrive, long time off.
I'm waiting for some good news, man. Everything's like, oh yeah, you need to repair something.
Okay, I'm going to have to be... Okay, sorry cleaners, but you have to be... Oh no, I don't want to hire them, fire them.
Yeah, Leo, look at this terrible view. Look, Leo, look, the most terrible view you'll ever see. Look, smokiness, smoky fence,
Broken fence. What ones have you got? No, you've got carnivals. No, you ain't got carnivals, you've got herbivores. You've got a carnival feeder though, yo. Tom, you need to change up the herbivore feeder. They're herbivores, not meat eaters. Oh, they can make friends.
entrance summary.
Do you like my cool little base?
Yeah, it's cool.
How do you change it?
Nothing good yet. I've had to close my part.
You've got no money. You need to open it.
But how? There's no dinosaurs.
Still, have it open.
Okay.
Don't matter if there's no dinosaurs. You just
That's it.
£10. You might want to hire that for 2,000.
Whoa! What is that?
There's another storm approaching for you.
Why? What am I supposed to do? Oh, it's thirsty and it's...
Oh, you put water in it.
Oh, thunderstorm. God's sake. This is not turning out for me. Turning well for me, is it? I have to gather up money.
Halo trees. Okay, I need more money.
The helicopter's gone. I can't even do this thing.
Jump to... Oh yeah, you can't fly it unless you've got an upgrade for when it's storming.
Oh no, I got a new message.
Oh, how do
Go to land cruiser. Take it to a
Oh,
spin.
silver. That's it. I found some silver. So. Yes, look. It's been up quite a bit. Come on. I want to see that money going up. Oh, no.
Actions, jump to land cruiser.
All my dinosaurs
Why
have
can't I
died.
take it to a spin? Okay, I think I need... Oh, there's a dude going on a safari adventure.
Oh my god, look, more damage. More damage, more worries. Oh look, 10 text messages already.
What I've got bang at 10.
Oh, that's cute. The guy was looking in the dinosaur.
The goat was licking the dinosaur.
Oh my
genetic. Okay, so yes. Sell this. I'm just selling.
All I ever get
And what quality?
messages about is my stupid repairs.
What is a
What have you got? I'm just gonna watch Tom. What?
Herbivore feeder. That's what gives the herbivore food.
No, that isn't herbal feeder.
What?
That said herbal. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know, but what does it feed them?
It feeds them like bales and stuff.
Oh.
Gives them their food.
Yeah, I've got $2. And there's a goat in there as well.
So again.
Just running around. Hell yeah, have I got
So
anything?
yes. Okay. What? Yeah, you got one urgent one. Sorry.
Hey look, it shows what their faces are like. Apart from the goat's face is hungry. So, everyone else
Go to.
Oh my god, go away my stupid series urgent
Sunrise. Okay, build, dinosaur, medium security. I'm building carnivals now with guys. I've got a large carnivals. Albertosauruses, I think.
Got a thunderstorm.
Build, carnival feeder,
lots of people want to come.
build.
Send me something.
I'll build a viewing platform here.
I've got a massive thunderstorm and I had a whirlwind. Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Oh, now what do you want? Oh, cool. Wow.
Yeah, what's this? Yeah?
Oh, it's a map. No, that's the fossil mark. Click on the one that has a tick
Yeah.
and click zoom in and click on one of the sites. Yeah, and then you should get fossils eventually. Left click removes it from that site. But once it's on one, just leave that.
So
Eventually you'll get some fossils and then you can extract
Look.
DNA from them.
Oh yeah,
Leo,
You can make
look,
get more dinosaurs and stuff.
look, we've finished the excavation but I'm still in debt. So, what do I do?
can I click back? Will it still work?
Yeah, so do it, just click back.
There, you can test wire. Test fence.
Oh, I've got 2 visitors.
Options. Options.
Wonder how you test it. Would you like chuck a bird into it or something?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that killed it.
Yeah, yep. There's definitely a carnivore. Just
Shortly.
get a goat catapult.
No, that roll.
I've got rain. Is that bad?
No, rain's not that bad.
I'll research things that wait for the system.
Oh.
What does that mean?
Okay, that's annoying. I'm just gonna build.
What does this mean?
Flatten.
I'll research things that waiting for the system.
Oh, click go to, and then just hang on. Like you can research stuff what you want. Like you click security, you get like higher tech Oh, you might want to join for and get all the fire, so you kill dinosaurs when they like get escape. That's what we've done. So you retire the dinosaurs by killing them. Yeah.
Oh, what?
What?
Terminated. Been terminated.
How?
I got 5 flash.
What, did you lose your well?
Yes. Okay, I'm not going to make my world so crappy now. There we go, is that good? Trees, yeah, I like some trees. Rivers, yeah, I like rivers. Mountains, no, I don't like mountains. Starts. Tom, I have to restart all over again. This guy fired me. I don't know, because I didn't like pay up, because I didn't have enough money for a long time.
Look, I'm getting large carnivals.
Oh, nice.
I've dispensed in... What?
To increase the number of fossils,
Yeah, click go to, there might be some good ones.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to announce our newest arrival to Jurassic Park, the terrifying Acrocanthosaurus. Fans of Dino Carnage will not be disappointed by this predator.
Oh look, you've got a Albertosaurus in there. Yeah, that's you click on that. Click extract. And then you should, when that's done, you should have new dinosaurs. Oh, will it come on that machine?
Yeah, you have to buy it from the machine.
Oh. Okay, so it won't come out.
Yeah, so you might want to build a fence because our Albertosauruses are carnivores and they're large carnivores, so they're kind of big.
Oh.
Oh, my dinosaur's getting ill again. What's wrong with them now? Do I need to get a vaccine? Info. Oh, they got dino belly. Quick. Get the executioner. Get the executioner. Jump to helicopter. Fly. I don't want it to spread across my park. What?
Oh, I've got it.
Come on the executioner. Listen to me. You're dead meat.
Dead meat. You're dead meat.
Oh no, he isn't ill.
What the hell? You tried to kill him and he was ill.
Yeah, I was about... Okay, let's see what's wrong with this one.
Poor thing. But he's like, what the hell are you trying to kill me, man? You're trying to...
Orders. Revive. I can build a sentry turret.
Me too.
Oh, I've got so many guests coming in.
Sell.
On Calvin.
Oh, hello. Didn't know you were still alive.
Oh look, large herbivores, yes. I've got the large herbivores.
Oh, cool. You've got large herbivores. Okay, I need to go actions, research, vaccines, build, dino belly.
Maybe because they don't like you.
Oh my god, I've got 13 people in my place.
Wow.
Oh, nice. How low are your prices? So what's these? 5. Okay, let's put these guys to sleep. Okay, I put some dinosaurs, some carnivals to sleep.
Maybe some television, I guess.
That's so stupid. Bill, you can't blame me, it's an old game.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Look at it.
Demolish. Low. I don't know why I say low to everything.
Demolish. Lol. Lol.
Oh look, Leo, I've just built this fence thing and it's not even big enough. Low.
Okay, I think I'm going to end the video with delivering these to the cages. I've got a good idea though, just having it ship them over to their things from their hatchery. It saves money, doesn't it really? Oh yeah, you might want to put trees.
And they need water.
Yeah. You have to go to natural. Oh, that's exhausted. That's exhausted. That's poor. Oh, just put one team on here. Come on, unlock site. £100. The playtime platform. I like that. That sounds really cool.
No, no. That's why I'm not nearly tomorrow now.
Large carnival. I've got these two. Oh, I need to get more things. Oh, urgent message. 6. Who's looking extremely sick? Oh, what's wrong with him?
This is a complete disaster. Will you do something now?
Okay, let's get the rangers out again.
Again.
This thing keeps him collapsing. He's collapsed about 10 times. Paleo trees.
How to get water again? On build. How to get water on
It's on, yeah, environment.
Oh yeah. Oh, what? No, it's nothing.
Yeah, it isn't that big, but you have to have a big area around it for some reason. It's kind of annoying. Oh, I've been ringing. What's wrong with me? Dad,
So,
I'm at time now, mate. Are you okay?
so
Oh,
yeah.
okay, I'm just going to take my dad back. Oh no, I don't want to be there.
There we go.
Dad. Round. Twins. You.
Yeah, I'll put it like.
Actually, just thinking, they only really need one feeder, don't they?
Yeah. Saves money on them. Okay, let's try and find oh my god, lovely things. Okay, let's go and drop these.
Yeah, do you like getting closer? Yeah, do you like getting closer?
Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, like that should be alright.
And then you can got a good. Oh my god. And I've got 12 people.
Look at my large carnivals.
£1,000.
Yeah, look at my large carnivals.
I don't have small herbivores.
Yeah, me either. I don't have any small things. I only have large herbivores and large carnivores. Whoa, okay, what have we got now?
She reminds me of this person at school.
Dude died. Yeah, I don't care. Oh, yeah. Cool. That's a cool.
How do I build that? Oh, I see.
Why can't we just get a new rock fight? So it's 1 out of 5. Come on, how long can we increase my stupid park rating? Why? Okay, I'm lowering my prices from 1,000. I'm lowering to 500.
Tom,
I love how we're all playing the same game.
Sophie's scaring me.
Okay, I'm going to end the
You're like,
episode
yep.
here, and I'm just going to save the game.
Oh, cool, look at that.
I'll go back in another
Leo.
episode.
She's scaring me. Can we swap sides?
No.
No.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, can you just... Can we swap sides?
Sophie, that's extremely weird. Oh, what's happened?